Now, Manuela, this is the question for you. The question is, do you like your occupation? And why? Why do you like your occupation? Perfect. And what kind of profession do you have? Yes, your profession. What is it? What's the name of your profession? Your profession. You are a student, you are a teacher, you are a student. Yes, your profession is to be a student. Very good. Now, let's go to Manuela Medina. Can you hear me? Now, Manuela, can you tell me something about your mother, please? Can you tell me something about your mother? Information about your mother. You need to give me her information. Yes, I listen to you. My what? Y- yes, perfect. Yes, my mother is 36 years old. Excellent. Very good. Spectacular. Very good, Manuela Medina. Now, let's go with next. A student is Andres Felipe Casalles. Can you hear me? Casallas. All right, this is for you. Do you have brother? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Okay, tell me about your sister. My sister my sister is 5 years old. Repeat again. Yes, yes, my sister lives in La Calera. Yes, perfect. Very good. Excellent. Yes, very good. Spectacular. It was good. Excellent. That's good. Very good. All right, very good. Now, let's go to Garcia Alvarado. Felipe. Daniel Felipe Garcia Alvarado. Can you hear me? Daniel Felipe Garcia Alvarado, can you hear me? Now, it's your turn, Daniel. Can you talk? Can you talk? Daniel, so can you talk? Speak. Oh, I see. I hear also you can't. All right. So here is Daniel Felipe Garcia. It's okay. Now let's go to Isabela Mosquera. Can you hear me? Isabela. All right. Very good. That's good. And can you tell me someone in your classroom? Do you remember someone? Uh, Listen to me one more time. It is, can you remember one student in the classroom? Yes, okay. Yes. One, one, just one. All right. Tell me something about Moshni. Yes. Very good. Yes. He has one brother and one sister. Perfect. Good. That's perfect. It was excellent. Congratulations. Now, let's go with, thank you, Gabriel Moshni Murillo. Can you hear me? All right. So this is the question for you. Um, okay, I'm looking for something here. How do you get from your house to the school? How do you get? Well, perfect. Good. And at the end of the year, I mean, at the end of the day, at the end when you finish the school, how do you come back home? At the same, similar. Yes, I listen to you. Right. And can you tell me something about your family, please? Yes, please. Repeat. Your mom. Yes. Continue. Your mom. Tell me about your mom. And what about your father? Uh, Okay, very good. All right, thank you. You're a great student. That's good. That's what you need to do to practice your. Okay, very good. Talking about this, I'm looking for someone. Clara Martinez. Who's Clara Martinez? Clara Martinez, can you hear me? Clara Martinez, can you hear me? Clara Martinez, can you hear me? Who's Clara Martinez? Excuse me, who's Clara Martinez? Okay, tell me your name, please. Okay, tell me your name, Clara. What's your name? Your name, please, Clara Martinez. Tell me your name. You're Lina Sofia Martinez, right? Okay, Lina. Where are you from, Lina? Where are you from? Where are you from? Lina, where are you from? Hello, where are you from? Do you understand the question? Where are you from? No, where are you from? Do you remember where are you from? Do you remember where are you from? I'm writing for you the question. Where are you from? She's gone? All right. No more questions. No more. Now, uh, don't worry. No, it's necessary to practice. So something else that you need to do in this conversation class is you have to, now is the opposite. You have to ask one question. You have to say one question. Okay? And the teacher, he has to answer for you. Okay? And let's do it with the last student. The last student. Let me see. The last student is the last student. So let me see. 4, 8, 12, 14. Okay. Uh, Moshni, one question for me, please. Very good. I am 51 years old. Very good. Isabella, one question for me. Later, just after this round. One question for the teacher. Isabel Mosquera, one question for the teacher. Any question about family, about routines, about school? Yeah, perfect. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am from Bogota, Colombia. Good. Daniel Felipe Garcia, can you hear me? Yes, I said I am from Bogota, Colombia. I said I'm from which one? What? I already told you. I'm 51 years old. All right, let's go with Daniel Felipe Garcia.